Most people get this wrong when MoneyLion stops working. Their first reaction is to uninstall the app immediately. But in many cases, the problem can be fixed in just a few minutes without losing access to your account. Here's the truth no one tells you. The reason MoneyLion isn't working is often much simpler than people think. In this video, I'll show you the most common MoneyLion problems in 2026, what causes them, and the fastest ways to fix them step by step. Let's get straight to the solution. If MoneyLion won't open, keeps crashing, or gets stuck on a loading screen, the first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes the issue isn't the app at all. It's the network connection. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the app. App updates often fix bugs, security issues, and compatibility problems. If you're running an outdated version, certain features may stop working correctly. But here's the problem. Many users update the app and still experience issues. This is where most people fail. They skip one of the simplest fixes available. Close the app completely and reopen it. If that doesn't work, restart your phone. This clears temporary software glitches that can interfere with app performance. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you're able to open MoneyLion but specific features aren't working, the issue may be related to your account rather than the app itself. For example, if Instacash isn't available, it doesn't always mean the feature is broken. Eligibility requirements, account verification status, direct deposit history, or account changes can affect access to certain services. Let's say John opens the app successfully but can't access a feature he used before. Before assuming there's a technical problem, he should check for account notifications or messages requesting additional verification. In a minute, I'll show you the fix that many people overlook. If the app continues to malfunction, clear the app cache if your device allows it. Cached files can sometimes become corrupted and create loading or login issues. Another useful step is checking whether MoneyLion is experiencing a temporary system outage or maintenance period. Even well-known financial apps occasionally perform updates that temporarily affect services. Now here's the fix most people forget. Verify that your phone's operating system is up to date. Older software versions can sometimes create compatibility issues with newer app releases. If you've tried all these steps and the problem remains, contact MoneyLion support directly through official support channels. They can review account-specific issues that users cannot fix themselves. The key takeaway is simple. Most MoneyLion problems are caused by connection issues, outdated software, app glitches, or account verification requirements. Now you know exactly where to start troubleshooting before assuming something is seriously wrong. If this guide helped you fix your MoneyLion issue, hit the like button, subscribe for more app troubleshooting tutorials, and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you.